Get ready to savor the taste of tradition with every bite of Pancit Bihon. With stir-fry noodles, tender chicken or pork, and vibrant vegetables. Yum, masharaf! "350 grams Pancit Bihon. Soak in warm water. Set aside. In a pan over medium heat without oil, fry 300 grams pork belly strips. Until brown and fat has rendered. Dip in 3 cloves chopped garlic. Sauté until aromatic. Add 1 medium sliced onion. Cook until translucent. Add 300 grams chicken liver. Fry liver until brown. Season with 1½ teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1/2 cup soy sauce. Mix and simmer for the flavors to incorporate. Dip in 1 medium julienne carrot, 1 cup green beans. Mix well to distribute the vegetables. This will also ensure uniform cooking. Next, add sliced cabbage, followed by bell peppers. Mix well to incorporate. Pour 2 cups of water. Simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Using a slotted spoon, remove some of the vegetables and set aside. Optionally, you can add 1 shrimp broth cube. And add more water if needed. In my case, it's 1 cup. Add soaked Pancit Bihon noodles. Then carefully submerge in liquid. Cook until liquid is reduced. Return the vegetables removed earlier. Gently toss to mix everything together. Remove from heat, then serve and enjoy. Follow Amiable Foods for more delicious recipes.